I'm not a non-indigenous in Abuja, where I hear the presidential candidate of PDP was addressing non-indigenous of Rivers State in Abuja. If the Rivers people come to Rivers State to address them, no, so. How dare you say you address Rivers people in Abuja? You are addressing Rivers people in Abuja. Is that not an insult? Is that not an insult? You cannot come to Rivers State and talk to us. You say Rivers State is not safe, but you want their vote. Rivers people, will you allow that? Rivers people, will you allow that? Those who declared our state to be unsafe are those who are seeking for a vote. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. No right-thinking Riversman will take that insult. No right-thinking Riversman will take that insult. And I challenge all of you here to do like a two Rivers people. To say, nobody can buy you. Nobody can summon you outside Rivers State. If you want to talk to us, go to Rivers State and talk to us. And that is the truth. No amount of blackmail, no amount of intimidation can change our position. So, it's simple thing. I didn't say anything more than that. I did not carry anybody's land. I didn't take anybody's wife. All I said, leave and let leave. Ibrio, Ibiri can be. So, have I done anything wrong? Is there anything I said that is bad? Is it good for only one person to be living? You would you like to leave? So ask them, what did I do? Now they want to kill me. They will kill themselves. So, we are prepared on Saturday. We are prepared. We will tell them there are those who own this state. There are those who live there who are outside river, but they are non-indigenous. They live there. So let nobody be afraid. You have a governor who is very strong. Maybe you don't understand. Not just strong, I'm very, 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 very strong. Anything they want, we will give them. I'm not like their own. There are governors and there are governors. There are governors with small g and there are governors with capital G. I'm a governor with capital G. Where is he going?